In this video we would like to introduce you to our piezo-assisted stages. They consist of a manual stage with a standard micrometer head but are fitted with a piezo-stack actuator which enables fine resolution down to 20 nanometers. This product is ideal for applications where both fast positioning and ultra-fine alignment is necessary from the same stage. The platform size of the stage is available in 25, 40, 60, and 65 mm square surfaces. The standard axis configurations are X, XY, and Z, however, they can be combined by the user for additional axes. Both 1-axis and 3-axis controllers are available. Now, let's take a closer look at a demonstration of the piezo-assisted stage using a 50x microscope and an optical resolution target. First, we use the coarse adjustment of the micrometer head to scan across the optical target. Then we move to a select spot to observe the high-resolution capability of the piezo-stack actuator. For the fine adjustments we use the PASC101 single-axis controller. The piezo-stack actuator can be easily operated with the small knob on the controller. Below is a resolution target with 228 line pairs per millimeter. The line pair spacing is approximately 44 microns. Look closely to see the fine adjustment occurring in the horizontal direction. The full travel range of the piezo actuator exceeds 30 micrometers. We hope you enjoyed the video and you have a suitable application in mind. Contact us for more information.